What's going on, everybody? Next up on the TEMU list is the FRP DB003 4-stroke mini bike. Now, I got sick of the 2-stroke nonsense, especially with chainsaw motors on stuff from TEMU. Now, this is the cheapest, the absolute cheapest mini bike 4-stroke that you can get on here. And as you can see, FedEx did a great job shipping it. All the nuts and bolts are just falling out. So who knows actually what's in here? And we're going to find out together. As you can see, I have a problem with all the e-bikes I've been buying. But now we're going to be buying something a little bit different, back to your traditional motorsports, back to your actual motors, and we're going to try this out. So first of all, I'm concerned that there's anything actually in here, but we're going to find out. So let's see. This is kind of sideways, but I had to do that because things were falling out. It looks like it's not even the color that I chose, so that's TEMU for you right away. This thing looks like it's been Ace Ventura'd around, if you know what I'm talking about. What? It is tiny. Oh my goodness, this thing is a lot smaller than I expected. All right, let's get it off the table here so you can get a better view of what this thing actually looks like. And yeah, I'm throwing it around. What of it?
Big whoop. Want to fight about it?
It looks like FedEx did a more damaging job of throwing it around before. But here we go. Let's take it out of the box. Oh boy. So it looks like that was a bolt off of possibly the forks or something. So might be ordering some more bolts. Might be sending in some complaints. Here's the front wheel and the hub. It looks like this looks like a very small mini bike. It looked a lot bigger on TEMU. I am going to post a picture of what this looks like on TEMU. I don't know, somewhere around here, up, down, left, right, somewhere around here, and show the difference. Okay, it looks like this popped off of here. So not the worst thing ever. Could be way worse, but anyways, you can see what I thought this was going to be versus what it is. Oh my goodness, this is not going to fit me. What is this, a model for ants?
What is this?
A center for ants?
Anyways, what I see here is a really cheap, tiny mini bike for perhaps a 2-year-old. Now it could be for a little bit older than that, but yeah. This is about as cheap as it comes, and that's on me because I wanted to buy the cheapest 4-stroke mini bike off TEMU. What is really important is that it actually works, and so what I'm seeing here, I was hoping this was a centrifugal clutch, which it is. How is this 4-stroke? Is this 4-stroke? No way, right? It sounds like a 2-stroke. Doubt. Engine model 1E 43F, engine displacement 49 cc, 2 strokes. But what's most important is this is what happens when you buy stuff off TEMU. And again, the photo, somewhere around here, wherever it may be, the photo will show you what I purchased. Even though it says 4-stroke, this is clearly a 2-stroke mini bike. So yeah, let's put this thing together and let's get it running. All right, there it is, fully built. It is so small, this thing. I have to say, I mean, the shipping did a little bit of damage to it. I have to say that this is not worth it right away. It is so small that it doesn't make any sense for this to exist other than for, I don't know, a 3-year-old. And I guess for the price, it was about $200-something. Again, I'll put the picture somewhere. For the cheap price that it is, I suppose that it could be worth it. You have a full plate here and everything of a certificate of origin. And yeah, I'm just going to leave all this stuff on here. You get a nice little handy dandy gas oil mixture, even though this is 4-stroke. Get out of here. Yeah, here's the manual right here. So we're going to get it out. We're going to tool around with it for a few minutes and see how it goes.
A few moments later.
All right, I've got it primed up. We're going to turn that on. And we're going to put it on choke, which it's on, and start it. Oh, it sounded pretty good for a second there. All right. Choke's off. Perfect. Boy, this thing's tiny. I'll show you just how small it is. It is. Let me stand beside it. It is up to my knee. So there. All right. Time to get on this clown car. All right. All right. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. It's too wet down here. Woo! Ouchie, ouchies, no suspension. All right. Oh boy. Probably need some warming up. Not with me. Here we go. I'm probably too heavy for this. It's also super wet down here. There we go. It's moving. Oh, oh. Yeah. This ain't made for me. This thing weighs maybe 25 pounds. It won't take me up. Oh, okay. Almost went butt over tea kettle there. Hit a jump, which was pretty stupid on this thing. Let's bring it back down. Okay. This is the one loss I've had so far with TEMU. Is it good? Not for the price. Electric bikes are infinitely better than this. They're more power, they're stronger, there's less complicated, you don't need fluids, you just need a charger. This is not where it's at. Get a Razor instead of this thing. This is not a mini bike, this is a mini dirt bike. The other dirt bike is 100 times better. It's the same motor, but the other one seems stronger. It could just because I didn't warm it up. But can't recommend this one. It said 4-stroke, it's a 2-stroke. And which is kind of disappointing. It has a centrifugal clutch, but not the same way I'm used to. I'm going to mark this one up as a loss. You know, I don't like it. It's got no shocks. Most mini bikes have some sort of front shock or a comfortable seat. The seat is terrible. It's basically just metal. It's good for maybe a 2 to 5 year old, something like that. But yeah, this is a mismarketing technique. Misdirection on purpose. I think this is not worth the money, and those are my thoughts. So this is what happens when you buy the cheapest mini bike on TEMU. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is what we do. We try all the motorsports and we test them out. We see what's worth it and what's not. And this in particular is not worth it. So 2 thumbs down on the FRP DB003. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.